am a rising junior at Curie High School. I joined the Women in Engineering Summer Program because since the start, in middle school, I was building robots and it was very hands-on. Before that, I really thought I wanted to work in the medical field, but once I heard about this program, I thought it exposed me to more opportunities and more fields to get into. I recommend this program to women who want to explore the engineering field and want to explore their options further in life rather than sticking to one plan.